Hello, MIT 885 peers. This is Kurt Stubbs, and I just wanted to show you how we started the school year with our students in a hybrid learning environment because I talked about at the beginning of this course that my biggest challenge was developing relationships, building relationships with students. So we decided that we were going to take the first 2 weeks and just dedicate it to getting to know our students while at the same time learning the platforms that we were going to be using. So I just want to give you a snippet of what this learning grid looked like to start the school year. And it was a 2 week learning grid. So you can see the first part was all about getting to know your teachers, and we used some of the platforms to do that, as well as get the students signed up for the things that we want them to have accounts for. The second part of the grid was mini grid number 2, getting to know you, the student, and you can see the different platforms we use to do that. And then the third grid was getting to know your online platforms, and then as well getting signed up for the things that we use almost on a daily basis in our class. So this was a great way to start the year to learn a little bit about our students and try to build some connections and some relationships with those students to start the year, even though we were in a hybrid learning environment.